Dear students, here is a physics problem. Let's solve this question. Find the time period and frequency of a simple pendulum 1 meter long at a location where g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So we have to solve this question. First of all, we will take the given data from this question. Given data. Let's now take out the given data from the question. Find the time period. So time period that is denoted by capital T. Time period is always denoted by capital T, and that we have to find out, so we will put a question mark here. Next, and frequency of a simple pendulum 1 meter long, so we have to find the frequency as well. So frequency that is denoted by, its symbol is F, small f, so we have to find this also. Next, 1 meter long at a location, so length is, length is given, length is denoted by small l, that is given 1 meter, okay, at a location where g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So gravitational acceleration, that is denoted by g, and it's given 10 meter per second square, okay, 10 meter per second square. So here, by using formula, we know that the formula for the time period is 2 pi L over G and whole square root here, okay. So by putting these values here in this formula, we will get T is equal to 2 and value of pi is 3.14, so square root 1 meter is length and value of g is 10. So by solving these values, the result is 1.99 seconds, because time period is always measured in seconds, so its unit is seconds, 1.99 seconds, okay. So now we have to find the frequency f, that is equal to reciprocal of time period, and by putting value of time period here 1.99, so it will give us 0.5, and frequency is measured in hertz, so this is our answer. Frequency is 0.5 hertz and time period is 1.99 seconds, okay. Once again, we have this question over here. Find the time period, we have to find the time period and frequency. So frequency is also required of a simple pendulum 1 meter long, length is 1 meter at a location where g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So given data was time period, we have to find frequency, we have to find length is given, gravitational acceleration is given 10 meter per second square by using formula T is equal to 2 pi L over G square root. So by putting all these values here in this formula, we will get 1.99 second time period, and we have a formula f is equal to 1 by t, so they are reciprocal of each other. Here f is equal to 1 over 1.99, that is equal to 0.5 hertz. So that is our answer.